What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Darth Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So, a lot of you guys have wanted me to do a review on Ares Capital Corporation, which is known as ACC stock. I really want to go in depth with these guys because it's not just, end of the video thing. These guys are a very interesting stock, and they're very well diversified, and they're just they have a lot of stuff in them as a business development company. So I'll do a stock analysis. I'll do a review of the stock. Also do a dividend analysis. And again, thank you guys. We are at 6,600 subscribers strong on this YouTube channel. And, I can't thank you guys enough. You guys have been amazing. This is really a good stress reliever with graduate school posting these videos. I really want to go in depth with these guys because I think it's very interesting with these guys as a stock and what they bring to a table, especially for a dividend investor. So let's check this out right now. So Ares Capital Corporation is sitting at $20.33. It has a dividend yield of 8.07%, a PE ratio of 5.66, a volume of 1.94 million. Market cap is 9.37 billion US dollars. Its year range was $16.17, 21.74. Its day range was 20.27, 20.57. Previous close was to 20.38. So this is a very interesting stock, and it was founded in 2004. I'll go into detail with these guys, and I find it very interesting with the diversification, what these guys bring to the table, especially to dividend investors. And again, this was doing decent, increasing its price per share over time, took a dip. Now it's slowly getting back to where it was uh, post pandemic. Kudos to you if you got it when it was like $9.13. That is a deal. Let's check these guys out. So, looking at these guys, Ares Capital Corporation, they are a market leading business development company delivering comprehensive financing solutions to the middle market. So, the first thing when I think of a business development company, first of all, 90% of what they make comes back to investors. Same with a real estate investment trust. And these guys, you have to be extra careful. If you run into stocks like Prospect Capital, who have decreased their price per share over time. First of all, the look test, they already did well because their price per share is increasing. They haven't decreased their price per share over time, so that makes them attractive as a business development company. That's one of my first checklists is how is it doing against the S&P? Is it's increasing its price per share, increasing its dividend, how is its revenue doing, and what is in its portfolio? So let's check out their portfolio. So the first thing they say, they have a balanced portfolio of defensive industries that's well diversified. As of September 2021, Ares Capital Corporation portfolio had a fair value of approximately 17.7 billion and considered 371 portfolio companies backed by 188 different private equity sponsors. Ares Capital has a diverse portfolio in terms of issuer concentration, asset class, industry sector, and geographic representation. So here's their portfolio. Um, Issuer concentration composition, some interesting stuff. Asset class, so there's their secure loans, direct lending programs, central services corporation, investment holdings, software and services, healthcare and services, commercial professional services, insurance services, diversified financials, senior direct lending program, capital goods, consumer durables, apparel, automobiles, and components, power generation, consumer services, energy, media and entertainment, retailing and distribution, food and beverage, and other 7.7. So here's their distribution geographically. Midwest and the West, they are very dominant on. So this is what really grabs my interest. So here's all their stuff, their industry that they say. So here's to you. They're very transparent with their investments they have. Can't talk today. So look, here's their healthcare services, Absolute Dental LLC, Absolute Dental Equity, the dental services provider. People need their teeth cleaned, so that's always important. pharmaceuticals, biotechnology, and life sciences, consumer services, restaurant group, ADF Capital, ADF Restaurant Holdings, restaurant owner and operator. So healthcare services, dental services, software services. So you got a lot of things, capital goods, hotel operator, Ambridge acquisition, so consumer services. So they're acquiring a lot of these things and they're kind of like a big juggernaut. That's pretty big. Like I'm just insurance services, capital goods, home care, healthcare services, um, physician practices, care revenue cycle management provider to the physician practices and acute care hospital. So they're well diversified. I want to see this automotive keys group and automotive keys investor, provider of replacement wireless keys for automotive market. Hey, people need that, so that's in demand. Another one, Balrog acquisition, manufacturer and distributor, especially bakery ingredients. So I like the diversification. I'm just going through all this. There's a lot of them. I mean, they have a lot of stuff. So this is on ariescapitalgroup.com/portfolio if you want to study these guys before you pull the trigger on them. And this is why I'm going into detail. They're very diversified. Just looking over all of this stuff. And here's a correctional facility healthcare operator. So there's a lot of things. And again, with the diversification that they have, it's very important to know that because, you know, again, this is not financial advice for entertainment purposes. Only disclaimer in the description. And I swear I cannot talk today. Uh, they have so much diversification, which make these guys a very unique business development company. I'm going to go over their revenue real quick. You see from 2014, this is in millions US dollars. It was 989, 1025, 1012, 1160, 1137, 11528. Pandemic hit 11511. The revenue is slowly increasing. They're doing something right. So I like the trends right there with these guys as a business development company. And they seem like a pretty strong one. You see Prospect Capital go down. There's a few of them that just are not very attractive. I did a few videos on those guys, but this one so far is on my radar since you guys have been really bringing that up. I really wanted to go in depth with these guys, and I will jump to their dividend history. So as you can tell, they're a quarterly dividend stock. So 2009, 42 cents, 35 cents, 37.43, 38, sticking at 38, 42, 40, 41. Has a dividend yield of 8.05% with a P ratio of 5.68. Now, looking at these trends, you can play the pandemic card right here, and they're slowly going back up. So you're getting a decent range, let's just say, of 37. I'll just say 37 to 41 cents, and it's sitting at 2033. So I like the trends that are going on right now. Is this dividend stock, is this business development company is slowly making improvements, increasing its revenue. Its price per share is not bad, and it hasn't decreased over time. Again, I'm going to refer to Prospect Capital as a business development company. So far, this does not appear to be a yield trap. Anytime you go above 5%, you should be like saying, is it a yield trap? Is it a yield trap? Is it a yield trap? So you start asking questions, trying to figure out if the stock is a yield trap. As of right now, I don't see this stock being a yield trap at the moment, which makes it very attractive to me as a dividend investor. And this was one that I may throw on my M1 Finance dividend portfolio because I like the trends. So again, let's do an overview. The checklist. How is it doing price per share? Is it decreasing? Its revenue. Its revenue is not bad. It's slowly going up. We'll see what happens this year. But again, its revenue's doing pretty well. Is it a yield trap? I can't give financial advice. Like I just said earlier, um, I don't think so. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, but I like the trends. I'm studying the trends of it. It looks pretty good. And again, 2033, that's pretty good. Another thing you can do is, if you look at dividend tax and everything, you got to just keep an eye on that. It looks pretty good. The price wise, it looks good. Um, it's something that's grabbed my attention. A little BDC section for M1 Finance. So that was a good tip off that you guys have made, and you wanted me to do a video on these guys. I appreciate you guys, um, allowing me to post this video. And you guys have been amazing on this channel. So make sure you smash that like button. Again, if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. I'm going to squeeze a video in tomorrow, and it's going to be a real brief one. And then Tuesday, I'll try to squeeze one in as well. But I really enjoy doing these videos for you guys, and I really appreciate you guys being active. So I will see you in the comment section as I am cramming away for exams, and my adrenal glands are going crazy right now. So you guys take care and have a safe Sunday. And I'm going to try to post it by 7 p.m. So keep an eye out on my channel, and you guys take care and have a good one.